Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Coder Anshu. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification first. So let's start. Today I will show you how to make a responsive checkout form by using media queries. So now first we have to create two files, index.css and index.html. Now I have to link the CSS file with index.html file. Now I'm going to link index.css. Now our file is linked. Inside the body, I have to write a h2 tag, and inside the h2 tag, I write the responsive checkout form. I just create a div with class name row. Inside the div, I create one more div called class column. Inside the column, I create a class container. Inside the container, I create a form. Inside the form, I create a multiple of label and input text. So I create a row, and inside the row, I create a class column 1. I just write h3 tag. Inside the h3 tag, I write billing address. Inside the billing address, I click a label. Inside the label, I write the first name. And inside the label, I take I. And so the I, the class name is for user. So guys, this is the icon of user. First, we have to go to the Google and search the font awesome. You can see there is a link of font awesome. Just click and you have to find various type of icon here. So I have already a link. So I'm going to paste here. So you can see here, this is the link of the icon. Now I just create an input. Inside the label, I create an input. I create a input. I just give the ID as the first name, and I just placeholder name. Take the first name. Sorry, I have just write my name. I just create a randomly checkout form. So I write here my name. Now I'm going to open with lab server. You can see there is a label and input text created. I have just take here a name also. Suppose I have to write a name equal to first name. I have create a such type of label and input text for email, address, city. So I'm going to create one more label and I'm going to copy it and paste over here. Now I'm writing the second label. In the first name, I have to write the email. In the user, I write the envelope. And I have to write here is email. So you have also write here as the full name. Now name, email, and now I have to take a address. In the user, I have to write the address card, the icon of address, and set the I just take the address name. And so I have just randomly write some address. Address. I have to write in the email. The placeholder name is order@anshu.com. Inside the input text of address, I just change the ID as ADR, and the name I write the address. Placeholder name I write some randomly address. I have to write w.15th Street. Now one more thing is city. For user, I have to write institution. Inside the label, I write city, and the input text, I have to change the ID name is city. At the name, I write the city, and the placeholder name, I just write the city name India. I have to write local. I have to create another day. Classes does go. Inside this div, I create one more class called column1. Inside the column1, I have to take a label. For in this table, I have to take a state. Now take an input. Inside the input, I take a ID. The ID name is state, and the name is state. The placeholder name is India. Sorry, guys. Outside the div, I just create one more column that is called class. Inside the column1, I write * tag for payment. Payment. Now I have to write some label. This label for your first name, yeah, that is accepted cards. App name, and side label I write accepted card. Now I have to create one more div called class name icon container. Inside this div, I write I. Inside the I just take a class. The class name is Visa. You can see I have created a Visa and MasterCard and gave a color navy and red. You can see in the my pages look like this. Now outside the div I just create one more label. Now in this label I have to create a card name, CVV number, and expiry month. So now I'm going to create for card name for card. Have created input text. So the ID is card name. Name is equal to card name. And the placeholder name equal to Anshu. I have taken another label. You can see I have created a card name. So this is multiple times. So one is replaced it. Card name, card number, and the expiry month. I have to create one more div for class name. Inside this name, I have to create one more div. I have class column 1. And there I have to write for expiry year. For expiry year, I have to write here. I have to take input text. In the input text, I have to write the ID. ID is expiry year. And the name equal to expiry year. I have to take a placeholder name. The placeholder name is you have to write randomly. I have to write 2023. Now outside the div, I have to create a class column 1. Inside this div, I have to write for CVV, I have to take a label. Inside the label, I have to take CVV. So I have created one more input type text for the CVV. Text, the ID name is CVV and the name is CVV. Also write the placeholder name. I have randomly write the CVV 111. So I have to create one more label for input and input checkbox and input submit. So I have created one more label. This label is for this label. Inside this label, I have to create input checkbox and checkbox equal to. So I have to write here is checked. So this is I have to write the name. I have said randomly write a name, my name Anshu, and outside the input I have write shipping address same as beginning. So after that I have outside the label I have check one more input for submit. Value is continue checkout, and I have taken class name. The class name is BTN. So my form is created successfully. I have created a form. You can see that my form is created. See, my form is created successfully. Here is the form. Now I'm going to take some CSS. So go to the index.css file. You can see this form is look like this. So I'm going to take a give us some CSS so it looks attractive. So I give some box size border box. I give some CSS to the body. Inside the body, I write the font family, Arial, and I have take a font size 70 pixel, and I take a padding also. For 8 pixel. You can see I give the some CSS so it looks like this. Now I go to the I take some column of the form. So I give some column. I give just the width of the column. So I give the width. It is I take 75%. So it look like this. And the width, I give a width of 75%. I also give some width of column 2. So for column 1, I give a width of 50%. Just you see here, no changing. I give some scissors of for row. So I will take a display flags. Take the flags wrap. Wrap. I take some margin from top and left minus 16 pixel. Now I have to create a for I have to create a CSS for container. This container. Just copy and paste here. The background color is for F2 F2. Okay, the background color is this, and I give some padding also for 5 pixel, 9 pixel, and also take some 15 pixels and 20 pixels. Now I just take a border. Is 2 pixel. Sorry, I have given 1 pixel also. 1 pixel solid, light green. And also I give some border radius also. Border radius is 3 pixel. Now have a look. So this is the form. So I give some CSS to the input text also. And the input text I have to write. Go to text. I gave it the 100%. I also give a margin from bottom, which is 20 pixel, and I also give some padding, which is 12 pixel, and have a border, 1 pixel solid. So now I give another. I have also give a border radius also. The border radius is 3 pixel. You can see how it look like. So the form is look like this. Now I give some CSS to the label. Inside the label, I give some margin from bottom, also 14 pixel, and for display block, how the label is look. So how our form is look like this. Now after label, I give the CSS to the icon. For I give the CSS of icon container. Just copy and inside the CSS I write here for icon container. I give some margin from bottom is about 20 pixel, and also give some padding. It's 7 pixel and 0, and also increase the font size. I have to increase it 24 pixel. So now I give the CSS for input text for BTN for button. The class name is button. I copied it and the CSS I write here for BTN. Sorry, BTN. I write the background color. The background color is for 04 6D. The background color of BTN, and I also take a color is white. Now I give a padding pixel. I also give some margin from top and bottom through 10 pixel and 0 pixel, and I don't want a border, so border is none. And also I give some width, so width is 100%. Give a border radius. I just give a border radius of 2 pixel, and cursor pointer. So and also increase the font size. So increase the font size is 70 pixel. Now you can see the form is look. Our BTN is look like. Now I have to create, I also give the some hover on the button. Once you hover, the color is changed. So I give some hover on the BTN. So I gave a hover. Uh, just change the background color. I give the background color as like 1, 0, 1. You can see once I hover, the background color of BTN is changed. Okay. So I have to create one more things in the HTML file. For after the form, I have to create one more class called column2. For column2, inside the column, I have created one more div called container. Inside the container, I write h4. Inside the h4, I write a cart for cart, and I take a span. Inside the span, I give a class name. The class name is called price, and I also give some style. So the style is I have take some color of style. The color is for black. Now inside the spam I take I give a class name. The class name is far shopping cart. Shopping cart. This is the icon of shopping cart, and you can see the cart is created. I write some B. Inside the B, I have take two products. So write it two. You can see here two products are created. I have randomly created a product. So after this, I have take a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I take an anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, I take the product one, and after it, I have take a span. Inside the span, I give the some class name. The class name is price. I just take a random price called I take $10. I have create another paragraph. So I've created and write I write here product 2 and the class name is price, and I have to write class name is 2. I give some HR. You can see two products are created, and after this I have take a one paragraph for total. Then I take a spam also. Inside the spam, I take a class name as price, and I also give some style. So I have to change the color. The color is black, and I have to take a B tag for the price. So the total price is 20. I just randomly write it. You can see on the browser The total cart and total is created now. Now I give some CSS. So go to the CSS, index.css. I give the some padding of C2 also. Go to the CSS file and give some padding of C2. Oh, sorry, for also give the width of C2 column. For column 2, I give some width. So the width is 25%. You can see here. The width is 25% for column 2. So 25%. Now I have to create some. I have give the some padding of column 1, 2, and column. So I just write for column 1 and for column 2 and for column I have give padding. The padding is 0 and 16 pixel. You can see how it looks like. So our form is look like this. There is some issue. So I also give some. I give I change the this part of icon A. So I have to give the anchor tag for change the color of anchor tag. The color is I'll give the color is 219 6. I'll take F3. So I give the color of anchor tag. So the color is changed. Also give some. Also change the for HR. I give a border for 1 pixel solid light gray. You can see the border is also changed for light gray. I also give the some width of this box this day. So I give the width of this day. So I also increase the width of column 2. Now I'm going to the CSS file. You can see I gave the width of column 2 is 25%. Also I have to give some prices. Also I have give the prices of CSS. So I have to write the class of price, and in the price I have to write put right, and I have given some color. The color is green. Now I'm going to show you. You can see our checkout form is look like. After this, I for responsive, I have to responsive layout. I have to give some media query. In this media, I just take media, and in this I have take the max width. So I give a max width is 800 pixel. Inside this media query, I just write the row is x direction is column reverse, and I have also take inside this media query is column for column. I have take margin bottom take a relay pixel. Now you can see the form is created. Now I have to see you. Once you hover, the BTN color is changed. You can also check out, click on check out or not. Work fully. If you want to see this form is fully responsive now, just go to the inspect, click on the wildcard, and you can see your form is responsive or not. You can see, but there is one issue, guys. In the cart section is top of the checkout form, but I want this cart section is for bottom of the checkout form, so I have to do this. So guys, I have to fix it. This one, this is not responsive. You can see this is fully, it's not look like good. So I have some margin inside the cart and payment, so I have to fix it. Just go to the HTML file and can see here, go to the index file. I just figure it out. So okay guys, I have to write this column 1. I have to make a column 2. It looks like you can see here. So this is the full page size. And okay guys, it looks nice. You can see this side is fully responsive. I have give some margin between cart and payment also. So it looks responsive. So this is the responsive checkout form. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.